Hi, my name is Keith Coates and I'm a founding partner of TomorrowToday. One of my chief responsibilities is, as a futurist, to intentionally build the capacity to see and understand the implications and meaning of change. We've just developed a 4-hour workshop around adaptive intelligence because one of the questions I'm often asked in the work that I do is what do we as a business or organization need to do or be in order to make sure we thrive into the future? And I'm sure there are a lot of good answers to that question, but my answer unequivocally is you will need to be adaptive. And so focusing on what it means to be adaptively intelligent is a core survival skill. In fact, I would go so far as to say it becomes a core competency in the business and at a personal level, and is actually more important than business efficiency. But what is adaptive intelligence? There's not an awful lot on it, and I eventually came across some research by two marine biologists by the name of Gundersill and Holling, who identified 4 key characteristics of what it means to be adaptively intelligent. And we call these in TomorrowToday the DNA of adaptive intelligence. They are living with change and uncertainty, embracing different types of knowledge for learning, or in other words, being a learner. The other skill is nurturing diversity or encouraging diversity in order to be resilient. And the last one is nurturing opportunity for self-organization in order to create sustainability. This workshop is designed to deliver that framework in both the theoretical part of it, but more importantly, there are practical exercises, participative exercises designed to underscore every single one of those characteristics that will bring it to life, and hopefully for the participants mean that they leave the workshop far more aware of the need for adaptive intelligence, what it is, and most importantly, how to be adaptively intelligent.